to wrap up our Taste of Asia, I am going to make a Vietnamese-style chicken salad. Now, I actually had a chance to visit Vietnam a couple of years ago, and I spent 2 weeks traveling from the north all the way to the south. And what struck me about the food there is it is consistently fresh and vibrant, and there is a wonderful mix of herbs and vegetables that enhance the flavor of some protein, but not a lot. So I'm going to make a very simple and quick salad that starts off by poaching a couple of chicken breasts. And you're not going to just poach the chicken in plain old water. We're going to enhance the water itself with the juice of a lime. It smells so good. I love the aroma of lime juice. We have a tablespoon or so of salt. I'm just going to stir to help that dissolve. So I'm going to add to the water with the lime and salt some of these super hot chopped Thai bird chilies. When you see bird chilies mentioned in a menu, these are the chilies they're talking about. They're small and they're super fiery. You can find them in Asian specialty stores. So I'm going to add a few of these guys in, along with some onion slivers and a little bit of ginger. And this is the interplay of flavors that makes Vietnamese cuisine so distinctive. You have hot and sour, and then you have that wonderful kind of beautiful, almost sweet heat of ginger, and then we're gonna add in the sharp tang of onion. I love Vietnamese food. It's comfort food to me. And that is all we need for our broth. I'm gonna put this on the stove and get it simmering. So the rest of my julienned onion is going in a very large salad bowl. You'll be amazed at how quick and easy this salad is and just how beautiful it is when it's finished up. Now just using standard vegetable peeler, just cut ribbons of this cucumber straight into the bowl. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my carrot up into matchsticks. Last of the main veggies is just thinly sliced Napa cabbage. I love Napa cabbage. It has wonderful texture. It's beautiful too, isn't it? Taking a look at my chicken breasts, and they are just about done. They're nice and snowy white. They look terrific. Now I'm going to make the dressing, and the dressing is going to share a lot of the same ingredients that the poaching liquid is using. So lime, ginger, chilies. It's going to have that same wonderful kind of bracing balance of acid and heat. And we're going to add some sweet with brown sugar and umami with some fish sauce. If you want this entire recipe, just go to feastmagazine.com. It's all there, including the measurements. It's in the Feast TV section of the website. I'm going to add in a whole bunch of fresh basil and mint and cilantro, and then I'm going to dress this salad with this beautiful dressing. The chicken is cooling over here, just kind of hanging out, and then I'm going to shred it too. It's really key that each bit of this salad is coated with the dressing so that you get that pungent hit in every bite. Now, just going to arrange it on our platter here. It's gorgeous and it smells amazing. All of those fresh herbs and that fish sauce and the ginger. It's wonderful. I'm just gonna go ahead and slice these chicken breasts and lay them on top of the salad. So when you poach chicken, it retains so much of its juiciness. It's wonderful. It's such a delicate way to cook a delicate protein. And by infusing the water with spice and citrus, All of that flavor is now going straight through the chicken. Pour on just the last remaining bits of the dressing right directly on the chicken. Then I'm going to top it with a little bit more cilantro, some more mint, and crushed peanuts. This is a summer feast, if you ask me. It's so beautiful, and the flavors are vibrant and fresh. I'm going to be pairing this with a sparkling rosé. This rosé is from Noble Ice, which is just outside of Augusta. They have a beautiful winery, and slightly sweeter wines and sparkling wines go very, very well with spicy Asian flavors. So this is going to be a fantastic pair. And yes, I know I am serving this in a wine glass and not in a champagne flute. And the reason is that champagne flutes, the way that they're designed, they're so tall and narrow, they show you the bubble structure of the champagne beautifully, but you can't really get the aroma. So you'll find that a lot of folks these days are serving them in wine glasses, so you can really fully appreciate the aroma as well as the color of your champagne. And this sparkling wine smells like strawberries and flowers. It's going to be a perfect pair with this beautiful Vietnamese chicken salad. So cheers to Asian flavors, and I'll see you next time.